Okay, yeah. So we can first thing, it's needed to delete your save file always. And then you can never start from the existing save file, because otherwise you don't get your starting items. If it's always the same. If you're playing always with the same starting items, then it doesn't matter. But if you change where you start, you change your starting items, you have random starting items or whatever, delete save files. But it's no big deal to always delete, because we get cutscene intro skip. So I've played I think 5 seeds before this, and all of them started correctly. Let's see if the trend continues, because before this 5 I had like 3 that didn't. But I fixed the issues. The text, intro text, doesn't show up, but we still get this video. But you can just skip it and get there directly. I'm starting myself recharging just because there's a plenty of things I can skip already instead. So you can come here. I can't slide or morph. This is gonna be slide, right? No, it's morph. Okay, nice. So what happens is it works precisely how it works in, I think, some returns. You just morph directly, you don't do a first slide. Actually a good idea to check my inventory. I don't have any random item. Okay, there's no feedback yet currently. This is a lovely normal block. And this is a beside door on the other side. So I can't open this. I'm considering changing this, making this door 2 ways or whatever. It's likely gonna do that or whatever change, because it's awful. It's a door that you just can't open. So Messiah. Yeah, all the text of the expansions and everything here is custom. But I kinda forgot, kinda just used the code, existing code, so I kinda... I'm cheating! Actually, well, let's see the first potential soft lock. What happens? I've only, if you remember the first Emmy, it has a lovely thing with you have just light under it. Oh, nice bombs. Actually, I can just not go there, but I can show this. I don't have slide, so small wee. Maybe? Speed booster, okay, nice. Okay, I already show a bug. There's a little issue, apparently. I have no clue why. Where speed booster doesn't work when you get it. It's in my inventory. So I can see it here, it's in my inventory, but if I press the button, I don't start doing it. But, oh, hey Adigo! Oh, really? But it should be true. I think you already had this with you, yeah. But now that I've reloaded, I have the booster, so I can do things. I have morph, so I can doing this not dangerous. Entering that is, I think it's fine. I believe it should be fine, but who cares? Let's go. It is dangerous, but since I have Morph Ball, I can go back. If I didn't have Morph Ball, it's fine. You need either Morph Ball or Gravity Suit to go back. And slide, of course. I'll die. Huh, interesting. I've seen so far that the randomizer really loves this. Storm missiles. Okay. I don't know why I got me storm missiles. I don't think there's anything. Oh. Okay. Sure. Sure, I can get Gravity Suit. Yeah, the suit's not gonna update as well. I had to do some special handling to the suit to update, and that's just not been done so far. But I do have it. Okay, base jump. Oh, yeah, if you see my message down there, all elevators go to Hanubia. So there's literally just through Artaria, so there's nothing much. So okay, that's something. This is logic for climbing if I didn't have space jump. Actually, we can just walk over jump here. Forgot. But whatever. Doing using this device here floods a few areas in Artaria. That makes you need the gravity suit to go back. So that's something you want to avoid as much as possible if you don't have gravity, which I do, but then why? Oh yeah, this aim is on if you never trigger it from the start, the first chase you get from the enemy never spawns. So it looks like there is an enemy around there, but just it's a lie. There's nothing. Oh, yeah, I forgot about this. There's a charge block here, a white beam block there. Yeah, right now the enemies are vanilla, because changing what the enemies give we thought is different. So that did say power bomb, right? Well, we found a bug. Yeah, this thing here needs the thermal device on the right. So yeah, I actually just got ammo. That thing gives me only ammo, not power bombs at all, which is the issue. I need to figure out how to give power bombs to the player. Yeah, they can. So there is no items over here. There is one item over there, but I can't go there. Oh yeah, I have some star missiles. Well, apparently I didn't give power bombs correctly. Actually, yeah, I didn't give power bombs correctly. I do have grapple? Yes, I do have grapple. This door here. Close behind you. So yeah, welcome to Dread, the soft lock city with item rooms. I hope you have grapple when we get here. Yeah! Actually, all the elevators go to Hanubia, not Itorash. So well, I need a wave beam. Oops. Should be easy, apparently. Apparently it's easy to like breathing food or whatever. Ooh. I also need to figure out as well how to start in other places. Hey, supers! Unfortunately, that's not ice because I don't want ice missiles. Oh yeah, for those that are not aware, I do have Gravity Suit. If you see the map, I do have Gravity Suit. I believe so, yes. I think if you have Ice Beam, Ice Missiles, it just acts as Ice Missiles. Oh, hello, I've been. No. There is an actual special code in the Virus Suit and Gravity Suit pickups that lays the, yeah, it needs to update the suit manually. And they also play the cutscene and whatever. I'm doing something different, instead of like moving pickups or whatever, I'm just making my own code, object definitions. Look out! Oh. Yeah, this doesn't work. Wave gives everything. And Plasma gives white. Yeah, from... Well, that's a crash. Let's make another seed. Capture. Progressive beans is quite... I think progressive beans is the likely solution we will get. I don't think we're gonna be able to split the beams so easily. Maybe, I'm not saying it's gonna be impossible, it's like gonna be... I bet it's somewhat possible too. Okay. Yeah, it's... Split the beams is gonna take a while, yeah. So the best thing is, I have no clue why that crashed. Like, absolutely no clue. Not special. So, slide or morph? I don't think I've ever seen something. Slide. Okay, now you can slide. And we take morph. Yeah, the sad thing about morph is that we need to. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm gonna do with logic for like abusing this, for example. Yeah, I slide now. Actually, what did they place for logic? Yeah, pick the reason, right? Really? Yeah. So, yeah, here's the editor for the database in Hanubia. So, here, yeah. Okay, just from here to here. I need flash shift and spin boost. Yeah. So. Logically, that item on the top right needs flash shift or boost. Right now, it's very needs to be tweaked overall. But as you've seen, it's quite nice the way I've spent actually a lot of the time. I've spent more making this tool for the viewing and editing the database than actually making the randomizer. But I think it's gonna be very helpful to make the rest of the logic. Oh, that's better than before. I'm gonna need something else to get that. They are. Just out of the place, yes. I've placed some. I've placed made a trick called template called simple IBJ, which is done by having bombs, morph bombs, and a trick, which is disabled, or cross bombs, because IBJs with cross bombs are like trivial. I'm not sure if this is in logic. You can use the cross bombs, but you can't use bombs. You need to press R to use the cross bombs, but it works fine. Spider Magnet, IBJ, or Spin Boost. Okay, this needs to have this. Yeah, this stays forever. I do have bombs, yes. Nice. Just... Where's the closest save station? Actually, now that I think about it, does this create a checkpoint? Let's discover. This might just place me at the start of the seed. Let's see. Ah, it's here. You can also use power bombs without bombs or cross bombs. There's no issues. Oh, that's something that I didn't see before. I got to test this. Nope. Don't forget the message below. There's only Artaria, basically. Yeah, the fusion is independent. It is also different from charge. As in, it doesn't give me charge, but you can't use it. Don't forget the message here. There's only Artaria and Hanubia. We're not gonna see Cataris or I forgot the name. Yeah, Elun and everything else. So, well, the other areas do have items. There is just not logic there at all. I didn't write logic for them. And since like I do need to find Wave Beam, Grapple Beam, Power Bombs to be able to finish. These are hard requirements for Hanubia. I do need Wave Beam, I do need Grapple Beam, and I do need Power Bombs and Morph Ball. And I believe Spin Boost, Space Jump, or Cross Bombs to fulfill the kind of flying requirement. And Space Boost as well. Oh, actually, this doesn't matter. Despite finding everything, we still haven't found a beam. And if the 3 beams upgrades, which is kind of, or an E-tank. I need the E-tanks, or I want E-tanks. I could. One thing of note is that Phantom Cloak is on our friendly dog, Corpus, and that's not changing anytime soon because apparently it's hard coded to be there. So we need to have a executable fix change for that, unfortunately. To be honest, I'm not sure if someone tested the enemies. I think they did. So what's this? What is this? Did that look like anything anyone knows? What did that look like? Oh! Now I have Veritude. There was a model for it? I don't know which model it was, but there was a model for it. What are you doing? Ah yeah, all the pickups that comes from enemy doesn't have model. Yeah, anything that doesn't have a model uses the sphere. Oh, okay. I don't have storm missiles. That was a previous hit. The damage increase with Wave Beam is absurd. I think this dies in like 4 or 5 charge shots. It's... Wave Beam is so much stronger. I mean, maybe it's Plasma. I don't know, I barely get Plasma. What is breath? I'm gonna love. Hey, wave beam. I don't have gravity. I forgot about that. Oops. I do have grapple. I need to learn to play this game. You can see that I've spent more time trying to make it randomized than playing this game, right? I think it's obvious. Oh, hey, fire bombs. Oops. Oh, I don't have... Anyone have any clue what is this? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Reg was right, yeah. Seems like the shard is... Interesting. Yeah, it looks really cool. What I actually want is some energy tanks. Please give me energy tanks. Yeah, probably just take the color palette from here. I mean, so collected. I don't think there's anything else over here. There's just the elevator. Oh, there's one item here. Well, that's useful. Ow. Yeah, this is a dumpy game sometimes. I should love this game. Oh. Yeah, we would have died if it go there. Oh yeah, I like this. No, it literally has no requirements. Like, energy tanks are not in logic at all for anything. It's just the fact that there's like 12 done. There's a big fat to-do around it. I think there's one item over here behind the thing that's spinning. Oh yeah, there's one item here, over here. Oh yeah, there's a bunch over there. Yeah. Someone doesn't know about that. Oh, I don't have supers. Yeah, the item that first army should be in logic. It is in logic also with space jump or flash shift, which I also have. So yeah. Should be very much in logic there. Yep. I think too there's some mistakes I made in the logic. Screw attack is also required to finish the game, because it doesn't consider using the... Yeah, I can see it from there. Probably. Doesn't consider you're using Hyper Beam to break the screw attack blocks near the end, so you have to use screw attack for it logically. So there is screw attack somewhere, but that could be. There are 2 locations for items in Hanubia. That could be there. Bloopers, nice. So I think I'm clearing up the entirety of Artaria. I'm missing these 2 items of here, but I don't have energy tanks for them, I believe. I hope. I wonder. The one on the top I might be able to get to. Not sure. But well, we can just check something, which is... What did they say about that? I think I was lazy. This has damage. Gravity suit. Okay, I was lazy and said like, yeah, I don't care. Gravity suit. I didn't want to figure out the damage. So I just placed it. Gravity suit. Which I'd say it's good enough for now. Speaking of which... no. Not gravity, not flash shift that did it. Do we have something? Huh. Now I have the suit. What did it do that made it updated? Yeah, the shinies, that's why I noticed that was something weird. Yes! No, it's not the timer. I've spent like, after getting a suit, one time I spent like crossed over in the entire map before it would update. Yeah, the best hero is Spark. Okay, good to know. This doesn't work. So I don't have skill attack yet, so I can go. Oh, it's a missile there. Oh, nice. It's not related to test personality. I just didn't write logic for the other zones yet. I wrote logic for Hanubia and Artaria. The rest needs to be done, simply. What's the closest elevator? Here. Okay, apparently I have nothing left to do. I can't think of anything like I can get in Artaria. Well, 87%. That really tells me that. all elevators and teleporters goes to this here. It is going to be random, but right now it's Spider Magnet. I believe we know how to do it. We just have to edit the property of the enemy definition. But since it was like different from the pickup versus the pickups, I just didn't do it right now. So there's no purpose for it. I don't have power bombs, yes. Oh yeah. Look at the bugs! How fun! Does he like it? Apparently the thingy doesn't like the fact that I haven't released yet the stacks, so it bugs. Conveniently, since this is vanilla, this is 4 bombs, so I can still have 4 bombs. And I think I'm gonna have 5 power bombs, right? Because I got 2 from the bugged pickup, 2 from this, and 1 from. I think I got this expansion somewhere. Yeah, 5. This here is a requirement for space jump or IBJs. Look, screw attack! I did say it was gonna be somewhere in logic. Oops. I'm very good at this game. No! Here, I got power bombs from the enemy. I absolutely didn't care about the sound effects, so I think it's something. It's actually very hard here right now. Oops. Nice. Nice. Yeah, this is... I don't like low percent. But here I am. Doing what's effectively a low percent. I think I'm just gonna go over and start another citizen niche. I kinda want to try finishing one. I haven't finished one yet, so... I don't see any reason why it will crash or fail during escape. I also don't see a reason why I would not be able to finish. Because I have everything I need to it. I have no clue. Everyone who watched it could say what was the fun for that played. I think some of my items played the major, some items played the unknown items. Oh, I do have flash. I just don't know how to dodge the... Oops. Oops. First time I missed that quick time event. I haven't done that in a while. But I didn't miss the other wire thingy. I'm gonna give it one more try because it's not productive. So let's try another seed. So we do this thingy here, and then we go back here to Hanubia. Make another one. No, nice. Oops, not this. 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 Oh god, I read there is an update to it. In fact, apparently I can use my normal save. And you just load this into the seed. I have less that much after I've started randomizing the pickups, but yeah, to be fair, I haven't changed anything like layers and anything that we should change that much with items. But intro skip, yes. Oh, nice. I do have power bombs. Yeah, that's the weird thing. If I start with power bombs randomly, I can use them. As soon as I can morph, of course. But this is likely gonna be some morph bomb. No, it's nice. Okay. I was thinking it was morph ball for something there, but no. Yeah. Since you have to watch create a new file, it would be very annoying to watch the 3-minute intro. I have all the bombs, but not bombs. So here, I press the button, nothing happens, but if I hold the button, R, I can... Some way of how I could also use the power bombs. Okay, this is awkward because I would use power bombs. Okay, this is... boring, boring. Didn't want space jump yet. The beams are... all beams contains all of the previous beam ones. So... plasma gives me white, and wave gives me plasma. Why did I save? Hold on, I've saved. Look at that. It's a mistake. I've copied too much stuff from Leftos and Prime. I don't have diffusion. I have no clue how you... I have no clue how you do this stuff. I'm just me here. I didn't make a trick for placing that in logic. If you, I called it pseudo waves. I think it is like called it intermediate, and then the other is beginner or whatever. I don't know. We're gonna change all this stuff. Okay, where can I go? Something I did when collecting data for randomizer. Oh yeah, I have space jump. As I made entries on the logical database for each block groups. So like this is a bomb block here, and here is a 4-bomb block. I have details in the logical database. That this is a 4-bomb block and this is a bomb block. So I could have something here that swaps these two, for example. So this would be a bomb block and this would be a 4-bomb block. And logic wouldn't know about that. Oh, I have already. A lot of the stuff I need to finish, but I don't have grapple. I'm liking that, despite being very similar every time, because it's just Artaria, there's nothing much you can do. And honestly, actually, very minimum start is gonna be always the same, because the first room there, the first cold room, that's in logic. It's just 50 damage at least. So This is the worst block in the world in the game. Nice. Ideally, all the whole rooms and whatever, we will have data of how much health you need to cross it. I just didn't do it for the... Well, that's... Why are you being alright? Why are you being alright? Oh yeah. Yes. Okay, this is not easy. Well, that's amazing already. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this needs... I think this needs to Morph Ball to get here. Get here, you're gonna need to do all the vanilla stuff, which the randomizer will not like to do, because there's a lot of... Going the vanilla path here involves so many path no returns that logic is not gonna do this that much. The funny thing, I found it recently. There's a block here that closed off the first time you cross it. It also happens if you cross it from the back. Oh! That's what causes this bug. Oh, that's what causes this bug. This happened to me one time when I was testing things, and it's like, I couldn't figure out what was going on. I thought my controller had bugged, but no. Apparently. Okay. Oh, it's working. Oh! Oops. Apparently entering the Amazon didn't trigger a checkpoint. Back we go. Here we go, back again. Wait. Where was Wave? Oh yeah, it was up here. 2 beams in one room. Yeah, that model is just a placeholder. This is not gonna work. That's so weird. That's so weird. Aww. Adam isn't changing. It's whatever it is normally. It just so happens that if you skip the first enemy room in the game, Adam doesn't like that, and then never locks you in the room, in the navigation room again. So yeah, that's the main reason why I like this card with charge beam, so I can skip that room and never go through it and never see Adam. I do have gravity suit, but my model? Oh, it was just. Oh, nice. Gravity suit looks orange here. I imagine it's lightning, yeah. Don't blink! I love this. Oh yeah, I still don't have grapple. Hold there. I have to do it. think I got... Oh wait, I haven't found this. I still don't have this either. Interesting. Die. Yep, but the elephant cloak. Oh yeah, I have speed booster. Oh. Here. Hello, Adam. Let's say hello to our friend here.
Uploading data.
Actually, I wanted to save, and I have to do this to open this door. And I wanted to save because I'm gonna do something. Soft lock. Maybe? I think you need phase shift for it. Oh, did I call it energy fragment? Oh, damn it. I need to... all the names are... whatever. We wrote some stuff and then didn't think about it. I needed to double check how the... I want to go over and take the vanilla text for everything and use it. I like having the text match what the game will do. And then place a little twist to make it more... match the features. Like for a long time the actual Randall used bombs instead of bomb. Morphball bombs instead of bomb. Or whatever, the default of how the game does it. I already know how to fix this, but like bigger than this, it doesn't tell how much missiles you got, which the game normally does, and I like that. The fact that it tells you. Because the expansions tell you how much ammo you get when it's cannon, and I like that fact. So I'm gonna do that. But obviously that's not something that matters to get working. So that didn't matter. I think we just copy pasted it. We just copied our templates for expansions from Echoes, or Prime, well, don't know. I think Duncatem that did it. I think he just copied one of them. And they call it the Mystery Expansion. Earlier today, everything was using the item sphere for everything. I actually just one of the last things I did was get the other things. No one commented so far, so I think it's very reasonable for now. But I believe each items have their unique animations. They glow a little bit, float, and they're different. And right now they're not. They're very not animated. Like, I believe the missile tank floats a little bit up and down. I'm not sure if it does it, but like looking at this, it looks wrong. It's way too static. Yeah, I think they rotate around. I'm not sure exactly. They animate somehow. Right now they're not animating. That bothers me a lot. I don't even know what exactly they do, but they do something. And that's not doing it. Basically because I copied over the sphere, then just changed the model. So it's using the animation for the sphere, which is, well, not really related. Assume everything is progressive and contains everything below it. I'm actually surprised that cross bombs didn't give me bombs. Yeah, and I was very surprised by that fact. That both cross bombs didn't give me bombs, or at the very least, water bomb jumps are way harder, I think, with cross bombs. That, or I'm feeling way too hard to believe that. Don't you love this floating tank? I haven't inspected, but my theory is that like that's the position for it, and it just happens to be floating. And every tank, the designer that places the tank made sure to align it with the ground. So we're gonna have to live with it. Yeah, I've come here before. What am I missing? Am I missing something obvious? Oh, here. Damn it. It could be vanilla screw attack. Yes, it could be vanilla screw attack. The place at top block 2 is not vanilla. Vanilla. Yeah, here, if you use the water device in the whatever, in the end zone, it's looted there. So you oh, I don't have that thing. Will you skim me? No, you didn't kill me. Oh, screw that. Nice. This grapple door is two-way, I believe. Oh, I can leave from here. Oh, this is fine. This is known from vanilla, but like, yeah, another one of these doors doesn't work. That looks fast. That looks very fast. Yeah. I need things for that. So I still don't have grapple. So despite everything. Oh! This allows me to skip grapple, I believe. Going over here. Grapple. That door has a missile lock on the other side. So anything that has a blast door on the other side, so missile, plasma, wave or whatever, you can't open from the back. I'm gonna guess grapple using Itorash. Oh yeah, I've never tested this elevator. I wonder if it's gonna crash or something, because it's gonna be funny. Taking that fan here, while having this my fan. Never mind. I'm back here. That's a basic randomizer feature in Hanubia. There's nothing special. Like, I've used handle one way anywhere elevators, and there's just one valid target. That move. Ah, grapple. And the elevator that goes to Itorash is excluded. I don't think there was anywhere else it could have been. Did you mean this here? Yeah. I have no clue what's going on with this guy here, and I'm scared to try to stack more because maybe that crashes the game. Or we can try it. Yeah, which is just a little bit weird because you can't get Hanubia without the X being released. So I don't know why they have different layers for it. Validation item! Spider magnet! Lovely. Well, I don't know. The boxes that I've never gone to the boxes that have it. did I not die? No, I died. Really? Really? I love how the boss drops like 5,000 power bombs for me. I'm not even sure if power bombs are used in this fight. I don't think they are, right? I could have been using the debugging menu, the debugging interface that shows the life bar for the bosses. I'm dumb. I'm in a low emulator, it's so easy to mod that file. Interesting. The animation for draining the thingy is active. So I thought it was the had chose the warrior that gave that thingy. Apparently not. Yeah, I'm ready. Loading. Even emulator had long loads. So that one was quite fast. Well, it's Itorash. Itorash like have like 5 rooms. Whoosh. Lifting. I don't know this threat for to dodge. Damn it. I thought about trying to drop some cross bombs. That screwed me over. I should do that in the Does in the first phase work? Oh well, fine. Oops. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, I think it would be very fun to not have wave beam here. As far as I'm aware, there's like a damage multiplier for ice missiles and for wave beam, and the multiplier for wave beam is like 10%. Yeah, I think just having plasma would like murder him a lot faster. Yeah, when I was originally planning doing these city tests, I was thinking of like making the elevator go to Itorash directly, but it's like we've seen this progression and everything, but if you're going here directly, you did nothing of this. I could be forced to come here with like power beam, and that's something you don't want. Really? have charged me. Really? That's not nice. Ah! Funnily enough, I feel this is kind of easier than the gold shows before, because you do get like some heals and everything, and it's not usually one-hit KO. It's just longer. Please kill me. Having supers instead of ice missiles seems weird. Because other than the first phase, you're weaker. The first phase goes like smooth. With the rest. And I don't have... Sadly, I don't have... Oh! Wrong button. That sucks. I think this boss is gonna be like critical for randomizer bases for this game, because depending on how things goes, like you might not get enough gear for this fight. Like, to be honest, maybe not so much if like you have the full game for your item pool instead of just like one elevator. for next time I'm gonna find out some macro button or whatever to turbo formulator here. I'm gonna mesh highest frame rate possible and murder this boss. I find it weird because my first test suits I played, I had a lot of Mario tanks, but now that I realized it's because I started with like 6 items, so there were like 6 more item slots to find. Oops. Oops. I don't trust myself with the firing that. Okay. That's pretty much enough. I'm tired for doing this. And it's quite late as well. So let's see if there's someone to raid from this. Nope. No one that I follow. So yeah. Thank you for watching, everyone. I'm gonna see about that. I'm gonna after this I think we're gonna look for fixing the power bomb issue, and then hopefully the speed booster as well, and then placing items on the MMIs. And yeah, I think also the core X bosses are also not randomized, which is well, I think you realize about why that. And then I think we also need to work on the logic for the other areas. If you are interested in helping, write logic for the randomizers, for the thingy, for Dread. Right now, Hanubia is in the Prime Trilogy Discord, so let me grab the link for it. As soon as I'm slow thinking. Here. If you join there, the Hanubia section has the yes, you are interested in helping. Thank you, Nukanta. In Hanubia Dev Talk, there's a thread for Dread, so we're gonna see about like having the other 6 areas, the B to G, with logic, and after that I believe it's gonna be polishing things and testing bugs. We're gonna need to write some guides for everyone how to do this. If you're interested in playing this, you're gonna need to have either a moddable switch for running Homebrew. I've heard like it's extremely simple to like copy a mod file there, which is just like the output of the randomizer gonna be that. Otherwise, you run an emulator. Legally speaking, you have to dump things from your switch itself, which must be moddable. So legally speaking, you have to have a moddable switch. We're gonna support the Ryujin simulator, which is what I'm using here. For now, it should work on Yuzu as well, but like we're focused on this simulator. We are also focusing on the 1.0 version, which is what I'm using here.